So if you're running a semi-private studio and you're relying on free trials and cheap low barrier offers, you're probably realizing that they're not working anymore. And so in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why these offers worked in the past and why they don't work in most markets today, and what you need to do instead to stay competitive and keep profiting with your paid advertising. And if you don't know me, my name is Justin Devonshire. I've built and grown over 30 successful fitness studios across the last 15 years and mentored thousands of gym owners all around the world. And we're managing thousands and thousands of dollars in ad spend every single day, getting leads and sales for trainers everywhere. So what I'm telling you today is not theory, this is the reality. So let's look at the low barrier model, because these offers did used to work. Years and years ago, I relied on these offers myself, but they just don't work in most areas today. And so what changed was the math. Now, if we look at the old math, let's say 5 years ago. Now, back then, you could get a cost per lead for $5 to $10 in some cases. There was less competition, less gym owners competing for the ads. You got one sale for every 10 leads. Then your acquisition cost would be about $100. Now, if you were running a low barrier offer, something for around about $200, that would be a pretty strong margin, and that would be okay. But what changed? Well, in the recent years, we've seen cost per lead keep increasing, and today, many places can pay $15 to $25 or more for a single lead. Now, let's assume you have the same 1 in 10 close rate. That means that now your acquisition cost would be $150 to $250 or more. So now with that same kind of low barrier offer, you're going to be hitting break even or even be at a loss with your advertising. And so it feels like ads don't work. And a lot of gym owners tell me that they feel their ads are too expensive and doesn't work like it used to. But the truth is, it's not the platform. It's not the ads. It's that your offer is now misaligned with rising modern acquisition costs. So you need to change one variable. And this is what we did across our studios several years ago, because I've been running ads to fill gyms for over 10 years. And I could see, even from the year 2012, that ad prices were going up year after year. And I realized this wasn't going to be sustainable. So we then made a change to reposition ourselves as being a premium studio, really dedicated on results and stand out in a saturated market. And instead of offering free trials, cheap intros, or bait and switch challenges where you'd give the money back to the customer, we instead decided to sell a $500 front-end premium offer that was only focused on getting the best people who are committed to getting results. So the premium entry model math looks like this. Now, even if we pay $25 for one lead and we maintain the same 1 in 10 close rate, that means our acquisition cost is about $250, but with a front-end revenue of $500, we make $250 profit immediately and double our ad spend. So we can absorb really high lead costs and not sweat at all. So what actually changes here then on the premium front end is you filter for the price shoppers, you attract the more premium buyers, and it keeps your ads profitable, because not only do we make profit on the front end sale, but we close about 70% of our front end people will stay on a direct debit EFT with us because we're attracting the best type of customers. So the reality for gym owners is this: market sophistication is going to keep rising. Competition on the ads platform will keep rising, and ultimately ad costs will keep going up. So low barrier studios are getting priced out of the market. They're no longer able to afford to acquire a customer, whereas premium studios who are adding more value are not afraid to raise their prices and develop their sales ability, we're able to tolerate and keep growing and expanding. So ultimately, you've got to stop competing on cheapness. And if you're still running cheap intros and wondering why your ads feel expensive, it's not the platform, it's your model. So inside the Gym School Business Academy, we can build this properly with you. We fix up your offer, increase your pricing, we can fix up the math, we can install a client acquisition system for you that we use to sign up 3 to 5 new clients every single week. And with the live weekly coaching and personal support with me, we can hold you accountable to the execution. The best part about the Gym School Academy is it's only $97 a month. That includes all the live coaching sessions. So one single client will more than cover your investment. So if you want to find out more about working with me, then just comment school or send a DM or click below and you can get all the information.